Welcome on board the Transrapid 08. You're invited on a ride on the Transrapid test facility Emsland. Enjoy your flight at ground level. The Emsland Transrapid Test Facility, or TVE, includes a test center and a 31.5-kilometer long trial track. The single-track trial route between two Emsland villages, Durpen and Latten, comprises a 12-kilometer long straight and 2 turning loops. The facility is unique in the world and operated by Transrapid International, a joint venture of Siemens and ThyssenKrupp. The TVE is used to test, develop and demonstrate the maglev system. We've now reached a speed of 200 kilometers per hour and pass one of the 3 steel bending switches to take a turn to the right into the northern loop.
So, Geschwindigkeit erreicht.
Beschleunige auf 280.
Ja, verstanden.
The Transrapid 08 is designed for a maximum speed of 500 kilometers per hour and has been running on the trial track since 1999. The train consists of 3 sections, 2 of which carry passengers. Electronic testing and measuring equipment operated by technicians is accommodated in the 3rd vehicle section. The Transrapid 08's predecessors were the Transrapid 06 and 07 test vehicles. The TR-06 was tested here in long-term trials under realistic operating conditions from 1984 to 1989, and the TR-07 from 1989 to 1999. We are now riding through the northern loop at a speed of 300 kilometers per hour.
So, Bremse ist ein. So, Bremse wieder raus.
Hier war alles okay.
The maglev train's guideway is built of individual guideway beams made of concrete or steel, which are up to 62 meters long. The beams may be installed at grade or elevated. A peculiarity of the trial track is that the guideway is, for the most part, elevated. This is neither typical nor necessary for Transrapid tracks, but in the Emsland, the decision was made to allow continued utilization of the fields and meadows underneath. We are now leaving the northern loop and are going to accelerate to 400 kilometers per hour. Every run on the trial track, whether with or without passengers, is a trial run yielding data and knowledge for the further development of the Transrapid system. All subsystems and components, such as the propulsion system or the operation control system, are continuously reviewed and optimized. Regular sound measurements document the continuous improvement of the aerodynamic properties of the already extremely low-noise railroad system. We've meanwhile reached a speed of 420 kilometers per hour, which is the maximum specified for demonstration rides on the TVE. If you look out of the right-hand windows, you'll see the test center with the control station appear, from where our vehicle is being controlled and monitored. In June 1993, the Transrapid 07 established a world record for passenger-carrying maglev trains. In routine operation, the vehicle floated over the trial track at a speed of 450 kilometers per hour. Since the test facility's configuration does not allow a higher speed, the record cannot be beaten in the Emsland. We have now considerably reduced our speed and pass over the switch in the direction of the southern loop. The TVE attracts visitors from all over the world. More than 500,000 passengers have had a chance to convince themselves of the benefits of the Transrapid system. Among them, many prominent guests from Germany and other countries. For example, the former president of the Federal Republic of Germany, Richard von Weizsäcker, who rated the Transrapid more comfortable than road, rail, or plane. And the former Chinese Prime Minister Zhu Rongji, who was so positive about the innovative transport system that he realized the first commercial Transrapid application at Shanghai. We have now completed the southern loop and at a speed of 180 kilometers per hour slowly approach our starting point, the TVE terminal. The Shanghai project also marked the international breakthrough for the maglev system. Other projects will follow because the super-speed maglev train is the transport technology of the 21st century. In Germany, the Munich City Airport link is in preparation, and in other countries too, a new course is set. The TVE is a facility on which the Transrapid system can be prepared for its variety of tasks and requirements, which vary from route to route. We've now finished our trip and reached our destination. Thank you very much for joining us in this test ride. We hope you've enjoyed your time on board the Transrapid 08 and look forward to welcoming you again in a maglev train.